Beat down. Beat down. Beat down.
Boom vlog.
We back again with another one, baby. BRAWL pulled off. It's about what, 5 or 6?
I think 5 this time.
Yeah, man. We got Spud and Tay going head up with Lewis. So we're about to go out into the country, man, and bump these guys off. Yesterday, man, I want to send out my special condolences to the family of Chris Blad. Took a major hit yesterday. Funeral service probably be here later on this week, probably posted this Saturday when the video get posted. Yeah, it's at a great time for bereavement down in Montrose, man. It was a massacre, big time massacre, man. But hey, right now we're getting everything loaded up. No, I'm not chasing out, but man, we just cleaning it back up and we're on the ride.
I was just finna ask, man, you got any plan for this thing, man? What we gonna do?
I'm ready to go more so. I'm gonna do supermoto. I like Freddie more so supermoto, bro. That's just me though, you know. Everybody got their own little personal preference.
So this gonna turn to a whole Bill series, or what's your plan?
I can't say this will turn into a whole Bill. It's gonna be a lit situation though. That's the plan right now. As far as anything, that's as far as my mind goes right now. But I'm keeping the Yamaha in the third, and I'm gonna take the Honda supermoto. A lot of other projects coming along. We got the Cutlass, we got Dirty Diana.
Speaking of the Cutlass, man, I'm finna show it to him now. Just show him a little bit. We got it coming. We got it coming. Got it coming.
That's work in progress. As you can see, this, I get a lot of comments, a lot of questions about what I'm driving nowadays. Some people ask me about the Nissan, some people ask me about the Cutlass, some people ask me about the Mini. I even had some people ask me about Dirty Diana. This is Dirty Diana. This is a 2013 GMC. Yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a lot of little upgrades to this also too, man. We got a lot of fun for your content coming on with this here. Man, we still got paintball coming up, traveling. The quads, we still ain't left them alone. I still got them all. I'll be reading the comments. Y'all keep asking, have I sold them? Have I sold them? Have I sold them? No, I haven't sold them. They just ain't fast enough no damn well. It's about fast. Gotta be dirt by fast. You yeah, that's the latest and greatest update. But right now, man, we're waiting on them to pull up. And when they pull up, we'll get back with y'all.
That's that game.
Look at action.
What's that, Boone?
You talking about
That fool's that sponsor. No, on Torrance and on what Avery? Avery finna race.
I'm on the bed.
Torrance and Avery finna race.
Hey, I'm a little rusty now.
Oh, we ain't trying to hear no excuses. Oh. Where my bed at? My wire to my pocketbook. It might be a beat down. It might be a goddamn beat down. Stupid! Beat down. My Jesus. Hey, but you got hard though. Yeah, you got hard. Baby. My Jesus. Gigolo wants some more. Gigolo wants some more. Goddamn Gigolo wants some more. I'm again too. God damn, Gigolo. Why you get your little practice and get your dry hop in or something? Get your little dry hop or something. God.
Leave that phone and just roll out and let the club go. Don't ride it. Just leave that phone. I ain't lying. You let that motherfucker.
You building yours up too now,
Yeah, leave that phone. Get the bike moving, just let the club go.
Some of that big smoke going down here.
You heard that there? That bitch got all the way down. Man, that bitch damn near to the red, bro. Should be like 12, 5, 13. Your ass should be like 8.5
to the red. You want to blow this motherfucker up now. You blow this son bitch up.
Yeah.
Beat down. Beat down.
Hey, you can go see God now while you get that.
Hit that bitch, Gigolo. Hit that bitch, Gigolo. Well, that's a big smoke going on, but y'all got a ride for it, don't you? Dry hop, made him a good dry hop. Beat down. God
God damn, that was a beat down.
Get him out.
If he take it on me like that, I'll beat his ass. I ain't speeding like that.
You gonna be loaded?
Still running now.
You gonna be loaded?
Beat down.
When you pulled up by accident, you bring your pocketbook. What you told me? Don't
I'm just saying on that shit.
Hey, look. Y'all
that shit fool you spoon.
Don't bro run me like that. I asked you for a bet. I asked you for a bet. When you pulled up, I said you bought your pocketbook. You said, damn, I left everything.
I was talking about
Yeah, yeah. I
If a bike just sitting there spinning, that thing you gotta think about. He's spinning and going some goddamn well.
I believe I give him a better race than that.
Beat down.
Man, get the hell out of here, man.
Well, I ain't good for it.
Hell no. Get out here. Huh? Mike James said he wants to
No, Mike, I'm gonna give you like 5 big truck leads. On to my big truck with the trailer.
God damn, Mike. Gigolo. Why he tried to put the beat down on him? God damn, boy. God, he said 2. God damn, boy. This shit getting real. He tried to put the beat. Beat down in full effect out here, boy. That beat down in full effect out here. Mike Jeezy. Gigolo, say what's up to them folks, Gigolo.
Hey man, we trying to get these motherfuckers out here and boss them. We 3-0 right now. 3-0. I kept that dirt back out there trailer. I'm gonna get his ass too.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Mike. 3-0.
get out of the way.
You 0-3 here. You lost every race you raced.
By the way, man.
Okay, the goddamn beat down.
You talking about me? That makes me like he's going to the damn film.
Beat down. Beat down. Beat down. Beat down. Beat down. God damn, that was the beat down.
Hold the clutch. Hey, you gotta slow that clutch away. You can't ride that clutch.
Well, hey, what can I say, man? That was a beat down. Beat down. And it didn't happen up. I mean, it happens to the best of us. You know, what I'm supposed to say. It's all racing, man. It's just what's going on out here in the country, man. Win some, you lose some. Hopefully tomorrow, rematch go down, and we can bring you some more footage, man. But like always, man, feel free to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button if you haven't, to stay updated on when I do upload. I usually try to upload every Sunday, if not every Sunday, every other Sunday, because sometimes my schedule is kind of conflicting. But for the most part, man, I try to deliver to you guys, man. I gotta say, I thank you for bringing me this far, 2K and beyond. You know, this has been another edition of BOONE'S Vlog, live at 5 over now.